Okay, it's a clown up the road, and we know what clown it is, and so we finna go and see if we can find some more clowns. We finna go clown hunting. Let's go.
Shit, there they go! Oh! We don't know where.
The clown is officially finna come down here, so we gonna be in the house, and when we here or not, we just gonna stay right there, or we gonna go out the back door. It's 10 clowns now, y'all.
Come on, Tata. I heard not the clown.
I'm scared of the clown. Come on, we going out the back door. So, I'm firstly scared because I think the clown gonna come and get me, but I'm gonna try to be friends with it. I'm not gonna be friends with it. So, we're gonna go clown hunting. So,
Then you gonna do this?
he's coming down here. So, now I'm finna go get some water before we gonna have to run again. So, let's get some water before we come again. What water did I take? You sure? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got some water. Or some of the juice. But I'm finna drink it. So, the clown is still up the road. And it got a baseball bat. And the thing over here, and he's walking. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Have to go. Oh, what about horse? Hey, go! Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go out to the clown and see what the clown is. We're gonna try to be friends with the clown and act like we gonna be friends with the clown, but we gotta lie so we can try to kill the clown. That's a good plan. We all brothers. What? We got one. Why all these clowns keep on following us? Come on, man. Come on, big pepper. Okay, the clown is refreshing, running by us. Running by us. So, go get my shoe. Go get my shoe. Go get my shoe. Come on. Come on. I'm personally running right now because and my shoe can't die. I'm scared. That's for right. Go find my weed. I said, baby. So we was trying to keep it from the clouds. But then I was like, did I 10 of them? And of course, then I hated them. So we're trying to go friends with it. We're trying to go friends with them. So we gotta be quiet over here at my house. And the clouds over here. I hate my sister. So there is a prank.
You got
We pranking on our sister.
Come on, he's wake him up. Yeah, he's asleep.
And
Straight up.
this is prank
Come on,
my
y'all. I ain't
cousin.
afraid of
And this our cousins. And
Dang!
our cousin. Our cousin. Our cousin is in the clown costume, and we pranking our cousin Malibu, and we pranking my cousin with them little black
So we finna go.
birds. So my head is hurting right now, but I need someone to tie my shoes though.
Come on, Ty. Hold on, try to tie her shoes.
So. Turn my other way.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay, come on, boy. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, they did this one. This one. That's the one they need.
Wait.
Come on.
Dude.
Come on, Knight. I'm going to. What's that?
So, we finna go by the clown again. And see if we can go best friends. Well, not best friends. I told them that we pranking you. So at the end of the video, I'll be like, we got you, and stuff like that. And then you'll be like, oh. Tell your man, sorry. I'm sick. I got the hoodie on. I'm afraid to get this one.
Well, catch you can say.
Oh, I think go to King.
That's what she just past my head right there. Catch that leaf. Catch that leaf. Oh, look at it.
Come on, let's go find the ground.
What the fuck is that?
That's doo-doo. My brother just picked up doo-doo.
Yeah, dude.
That's why my brother, he just picked up rock and he gonna try to throw it at the plant. Well, they mailbox gone. Look at they mailbox. Look at they mailbox. Just look at it.
the white dog.
Look at my dog. Come on, let's go see the dog. Let's go see my dog. Shit. Y'all want to see my dog?
Hey, guys. Hey. Say hey, little white. Hey, white.
We gonna come and get you when we done find you, okay? You see the camera? Uh-huh. So adorable. So. So we don't even know what 2 plus 2 is. It's 4.
And we do know it's supposed to be.
And I know my timetable. And I don't know my division. And guess what? Damn. Oh, she just playing with y'all. At the party, man. Tell your man I'm sorry. Fuck. Well, they ain't coming for us. At the party, man. Tell your man I'm sorry. Just are they coming by? These little black things is surrounded by birds outside. These birds.
I'm trying to go back home.
I just heard somebody.
Oh no! They in a tree. Where they in a tree?
So they all in the tree right now.
The clown is gone. He went back to the woods.
Yeah. So we finna end this vlog, and I got to say something. We just prank you. We
No, you
just-
did. We didn't prank y'all.
So we finna end the vlog.